We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related names as well, of famous places in Canada in particular. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This designates the female inhabitants or natives to Quebec in Canada, French-speaking part of Canada. So how do you say it? Quebecoise. Quebecoise. You do pronounce the S here because it is the female or feminine version of the word. The masculine version is simply Quebecois. Quebecois for males and Quebecoise for female. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.